These are the tasks that we need to perform in today's in class programming, which are successfully completed. Let us see how I perform. And this is today's given data set, and this data set is imported and required packages are also imported. Now in this data set we need to check whether there are null values or not. So I am checking using isNull function whether there are null values or not. We can clearly see that there are null values present in minimum payments as well as credit limit. These null values are replaced using mean. See here in this function I am removing null values using the mean. Here we can see that after performing this mean one, there are no null values present, and now we need to use elbow method to find a good number of clusters for k-means algorithm. So using this elbow function, I plotted the graph. Here see we can see number of clusters and this score. It is clearly evident that 2 is good number of clusters. So for number of so that's why I took number of clusters as 2, and for that we build the model. And now after building the model, calculated Siloid score, we can see that the Siloid score for this task is 0.51147. Thus task 1 and 2 are achieved in this programming. And now let me show the remaining tasks. And in next what I did is we need to perform the scaling and see how Siloid score is there, and after that need to apply PCA and this need to complete this bonus question also. So here required packages are imported, and next required checks, that is null values. If there are null values we removed using this mean function. And next we divided this data set as x and y, target labels and remaining. And now I am performing the scaling using standard scalar inbuilt function. After that I am fitting this for x. Now after scaling, what I am doing is I am predicting the clusters for each data set for number of clusters as 2, and after this I am predicting the Siloid score. Let me show. See, this is the Siloid score after scaling, but let me see how the Siloid score is after applying PCA. I am applying PCA for 2 components. After applying that PCA, this is the resultant data set, and on this data set we need to perform the k-means algorithm. See here I performed after dividing this data set again into independent variables and target variable. I am building the k-means on that. After that I am calculating Siloid score, and next I am performing the visualizations using scatter plot. See here after performing PC and scaling, the Siloid score is 0.59. We can see that this Siloid score is improved after applying scaling and PCA. And here I took number of clusters as 3, and these are the visualizations. Thank you.